more cheap DIY stuff that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I spent about $30. I did this wreath myself. I got all these flowers from Dollar Tree, and the reason I did it was because I went to Michael's to look at the wreaths that they have, $50 and up. You're not gonna walk out of Michael's with a cheap wreath under $20. It's so absurd to me. Like, I'm not about to spend 60 plus on just a wreath when we have the rest of the house to decorate. I got creative. I picked up these flowers. All of these are individual flowers. So there. These flowers, you can get what colors you want that'll match your vibe. I got the burlap, the ribbon, all of that from Dollar Tree, and I just threw it together in less than 30 minutes. It didn't take long at all. Also get the wreath form itself from Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different options. I'll put those on the screen right now. You can get a wired one and then just fill the entire wreath, which will obviously take a little bit longer, or you can get a wooden one or like a bamboo one and then just fill up half, and that kind of looks really elegant too. So over here under my TV, just my entry table display. I made this in the fall of 2019 when I was pregnant with Melody. That's when I started kind of getting into home decor and crafting. And I literally just got this box. I got it off an idea on YouTube. I think it's Crafts by Maddie or something like that. And I just literally got the wooden box, painted it, and then just stuck some leaves on it, filled it with flowers. These little pumpkins are an entire DIY. What I did was I got a satin pillowcase from Dollar Tree. Put on the screen now. It's a satin pillowcase and the styrofoam pumpkin. You cut the center out. You literally wrap the pumpkin and just stuff it. And you can make this look however you want, how neat you like, or if you want it to kind of look, put together, you can. I had some of these wine corks from my wedding that I used. Literally stuff in there, and it's a pumpkin. These I actually got from Haverty's when Sam and I first moved in, and I thought because they were gold, I thought they would pair nicely. This stand I actually got from a friend for my bridal shower, and like I said, I made this myself. These candles are actually on sale at Michael's, so if you do go to Michael's to spend money, go for the candles. They're selling them for 3 for $10. I have a bunch of them. There's like pumpkin pie, cinnamon, swirl, chai, like a lot of different fall flavors to choose from. So definitely check them out for the candles. Another DIY I did, which came out really cute, were these pumpkins. If you look closely, they're Jenga blocks. And they're just hot glued together. And one night we had some friends and family come over, and I was like, hey guys, just paint a pumpkin. And we all just sat and put some acrylic paint on these, and they came out really, really cute. This is a vase that I repurposed. I just painted it, and I hot glued some burlap around the bottom to kind of add a seasonal touch to it. And again, all these flowers I got from Dollar Tree, so they kind of fill up the entry table. It's not doing too much, but you definitely feel like fall when you walk in, when you look at my entry table. There's a DIY pumpkin, some flowers. Literally, they're $1. Little autumn leaf from Dollar Tree last season, and stuff the candle in there. Don't ask why I keep money around. It's like a manifestation thing, but I won't get too deep into that. This is just a simple garland that I got from Dollar Tree. They have a ton of these. I'll put these on the actual screen for you guys to see. They're $1. I got like 3 or 4 of these when I went there. And I had some command hooks. This adds a seasonal touch, but this is Melody's painting. It's like a little fall flair for the color for the kitchen. Where should we head to next? So here is our fireplace display. Blanket ladder, some throw blankets that are kind of fall, seasonal feels, fall vibes. Like I mentioned earlier, you can make these Jenga towering pumpkins, and I'll insert a picture of the towering blocks that you can get from Dollar Tree to create these. literally is hot glue, the tumbling blocks, and you just paint it. Like, it's nothing to it. So I have a couple of those, more pumpkins like I mentioned before. These were really fun to make. You can get, you see there's hay at the bottom, some pine cones that smell like cinnamon, and inside are the same ribbon I used on my wreath, intertwined with the garland that I have hanging in my kitchen. So it was $1 for the ribbon, $1 for the garland, and $1 for the hay, and $1 for the pine cones. And literally I just stuffed it all in here and it looked great. I added some flowers that I had left over, and I added these twinkle lights. I'll insert a picture of the twinkle light that Dollar Tree has available, but these I got from Burlington. I think they were $7, but Dollar Tree has some. They're twinkle lights and they're flat. And continue the same thing over here. So that's my fall fireplace display. You can go to Home Goods or at home and spend well over $200 trying to decorate your house. And you know, sometimes you'll get home and you won't have a space for the thing that you just spent $50 on, or you know, you won't be able to put your vision together while you're at the store. So my advice is to pick 2 to 3 spaces in your house that you want to decorate, that you want to create the fall vibe with. And then go to those spaces. I mean, get measurements if you need to, get a color scheme together if you need to, whatever you need. And then look up some fall craft DIYs. TikTok is a good space for it. YouTube made a list of the stuff that I didn't already have. So because I organized my fall decor from last year and the year prior, I had everything ready to go. Went through, figured out what I needed based on, you know, what spaces I wanted to decorate. And I made a list and I took my butt to the Dollar Tree, and I did my fall decor this year for $30. As you keep decorating and as you know the seasons keep going, you'll just keep adding to your collection. I bought so much stuff last year. I organized it, I stored it properly, and so each season I can just keep adding to it instead of spending lots and lots of money on the same type of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you like it, comment, share, subscribe. Help me out. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers before the end of the year. Check out my other videos on beauty, makeup, hair. I'm gonna start releasing some videos on mid-size style for the ladies who are not quite plus size and not quite, you know, petite or whatever. We're mid-size, so I do have some videos coming on that. And just until then, happy decorating. Thank you for watching.